Do you know you can start business without capital? This is right though. You don't always need money to begin. You need right formula. Today, I will show you 3 powerful ways you can start making money and build business from nothing. This is the success formula. Number 1, start with skill, not money. Start with skill, not money. Your skill are your first capital. Think about this. There was a young man in my neighborhood who loved cooking. He did not have money to open a restaurant, but he started small by cooking for friends and selling online too. Within months, he was making steady income just from using what he already knew. Your skill can become your business. We move to number 2. Take note of all this. Number 2, use other people's resources. Don't need to have everything. That same young man did not even own cooking equipment. He borrowed from his auntie at first. In business, this is called leverage. You can partner with people, sell through drop shipping, or use free online platform like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube to promote whatever you are doing. Use what others have until you can build your own. Straight number 3. As I said, this video will not be long. If you are enjoying this, do well to smash the subscribe button. Number 3, start small, reinvent and reinvest. I say reinvent and reinvest. Like as I said earlier, that young man, he did not wait for perfection. He started small, then improved as he grew. And when the first profit came, he still reinvest that profit into the business without stress to enable the business to grow instead of him to spend that profit. My conclusion: so remember, the formula is simple: skills, leverage and reinvestment. That is how people start business with zero capital. If he could do it, you personally can do same. I am Martino Ezugo and this is Success Formula. Don't forget to subscribe and share and also like.